What is up, y'all? I'd say you can tell from the title of this video just exactly what I have in mind today. Last time, guys, we took the Gulp Minnows and hit the pond. This time, we're taking the Gulp Minnows and we're hitting the river. So y'all, it's time for some GulpraLightin. Fish on. Oh yeah, good fish. Not a bad fish, guys. Yes. Yeah, not a bad little smallie. There he is. Not a bad little fish. Pretty little smallie right there. Yeah. All right, back he goes. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, we got a nice sunfish. Yeah, boy. Good one. Give me that gulp back. Look at there. That's a nice fish, guys. Yeah, not a thing wrong with that. All right, back he goes. Fish on. Good fish, y'all. Feels pretty good. See what we got here, y'all. Oh, yeah. Nice sunfish. Really nice fish, guys. Yeah. Oh, man, he's hooked good, too. Give me my gulp back. There he is, y'all. Yeah, nice fish. Not too bad. Back he goes. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? Oh, yeah. What do we got? Nice little smallie. Nice little smallie. There he is, guys. Not a bad little fish. Real pretty. All right, y'all. Back he goes. Fish on. What we got? All right. We got a nice sunfish. Look here, man. I think she's all tangled up. Hang on, dude. There we go. There he is, guys. Nice fish. Yeah. All right, back he goes. Fish on. Fish on. Feels pretty good, y'all. What do we got here? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Look at the size of this rock bass. Look at that. Yes. That is an awesome fish, guys. That is a big rock bass. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. Look how thick that fish is, y'all. Look at that. Now that's a nice rock bass. All right, y'all, let's get one more good look at him. Man, that is one heck of a rock bass. Yeah. All right. Let's get him back in the water, y'all. We had him out long enough. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? Ah, I got a nice sunfish. All right. Not bad. Not bad. There he is, y'all. Pretty little fish. Oh, right in the boat. In the boat. Easy. Easy. Okay, there he is, guys. Dang, he flopped clean underneath my kayak seat. Oh, there. And he's gone. We ain't gonna fight with him no more. This one. This one. What do we got? Got a nice sunfish, y'all. Yeah. Nice one. Look at that fish. Not bad. Oh, he's got a sore on him right there. I don't know what happened. Still looks good and healthy, though. Good fish, guys. Back he goes. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? Ah, nice little sunfish. Yeah. Give me my gulp back. And there he is, guys. Pretty little fish. Yeah. All right, back he goes. Fish on. Fish on. What do we got? Fish on. Very, very nice sunfish, y'all. Very nice. Look at that fish, guys. Yes! Thank you, Lord. That is a nice fish, y'all. Not a thing wrong with that fish. Yeah. All right. Nice fish, guys. And back he goes. Fish on, guys. Fish on. What do we got? What do we got? Ah, nice sunfish. All right. Man, he ate it deep, too. Come on. There it is. There he is, y'all. Not a bad little fish. Back he goes. All right, we're back to the truck now, y'all. And not a bad run down the river today. But I'm learning quickly as I use the Gulp Minnows more that they're more of a panfish bait than anything else. But man, did we catch some nice sunfish today on them, guys. And I'm sure it won't be the last time you see them. So if y'all liked what you saw today, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys next time.